Greetings. The purpose of the GEO video is to demonstrate natural grounding and corresponding EMF fields that are present and how the GEO product accomplishes the same natural release inside buildings. The video shows two measuring devices. The first is a voltmeter. Because EMF fields are man-made AC fields, they can be stored in the body as static electricity waiting to be discharged. The voltmeter measures the electrical potential in the body. The static electricity can interrupt and interfere with the body's subtle electromagnetic fields, which can lead to illness and disease. All electricity feeding our buildings is currently AC. The second device is an EMF meter. EMF meters measure fields to be rated healthy to non-healthy. In this video, magnetic fields are being measured, and you will see this on the second band of ranges on the device. On the meter, anything in the red cone is considered a risk and to be potentially unhealthy. We hope you enjoy, and thank you for watching.
We have an acceptable reading on the EMF meter. Our red cord is grounded into the earth, black cord measuring the voltage potentiality in the body. We're looking at about 42 thousandths of a volt. And we're insulated from the earth with our shoes. Here we're seeing ourselves grounded. And notice the voltage releasing from the body. It's 2 thousandths of a volt. An EMF reading owned by the 3 transformers, close to 3 Gauss. Closer to the transformers, you take another reading, and it's pegged. Strong EMF field. We're now grounding the voltage meter into the earth, directly into the earth, and we're going to take a reading of what the potentiality is, the voltage potentiality is in the body with shoes on. So we're insulated from the earth. You'll notice that it's increasing as we stand next to the pole in the EMF field. Continues to grow. Shoes off, natural grounding. Voltage comes down, 93%. Shoes back on, we're insulated, and goes right back up. An EMF reading of regular electrical meters. These are not smart meters, just under 3 Gauss here. You can get closer to the meters, and we peg. Strong electromagnetic field. Insulated, shoes on, voltage potential. See the red cord grounded, natural grounding. Taking shoes off, natural grounding, and voltage comes down. Insulated, shoes on, voltage potential increases. Cell phone towers in direct line with the testing space as we move to indoor grounding. And our EMF reading is just under 3 Gauss. Now we're testing our outlet. This is part of the GEO testing kit. Green is a go, red is a no. We're going to plug in our grounding cord, put our adjustable wrist strap on as our stainless steel metal connection to the skin. The wristband is also filled with silver fibers for an extra conductivity in dry environments and dry skin. Flexible magnetic snap. Easy on, easy off. Right now we are connected, we are grounded. We're now grounding our voltmeter. And we're getting our voltage potential reading and groundedness. And watch the voltage go down. This is indoor grounding. We're disconnecting. We are no longer grounded. Voltage meter is overloaded, which means we've got voltage that's over 2. So we're changing the setting. And we're now at 2.4 volts.
And we're showing a little over 2 Gauss or the computer screen. Now we're moving to the hardware. And we're just about pegged. We're well over 3 Gauss. So we're in a danger zone according to the meter. High electromagnetic field. In the Geo kit comes a tester. You always want to test your outlet before grounding. Green, go. Red, no. We got a green light, so we're a go. We're now going to plug our cord into the outlet to get grounded. We're going to connect to our wristband. Easy snap. And now we're going to ground the voltage meter. Notice that we are disconnected, we are not grounded. We're overloaded, so we're over 2 volts. So we bring it up. And notice the 6.7 volt in the body. We're now going to connect and be grounded. Indoor grounding, easy snap, now connected. And notice and look at how wonderfully and easily and quickly we're going down. 11 millivolts. We're disconnecting. We're no longer grounded. We're overloaded. We're stepping it up. We're over 2 volts. And steadily climbing. 6.7. Reconnecting. We're grounded. We're going back down to 11, 10 millivolts. Large EMFs near the computers, like the one in our last example, is showing 6.7 volts or 6,700 millivolts on the body. When grounded, this went down to only 10 millivolts. In this example, there was an incredible decrease of 99.8%. On average, indoor grounding decreases over 90%. Imagine the wellness implications on the body. Thanks for watching the video, and if you'd like more information, be sure to visit the website www.mystressreleasenow.com.